So, hi dear Leo, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a 7 day 7 oracle messages for all the Leo Sun Moon Venus rising from 11 till the 17th of May 2026. Please keep in mind these are general messages. This might or might not resonate with you. Even if they resonate 100% with you, doesn't mean it's your personal reading. Just take the messages as they resonate and use them wisely as the guidance only, right? Not as an ultimate truth or something. And whatever decisions or choices you guys are going to make based on these readings on my channel is your responsibility, not mine. Okay, for personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course, self-love course, and for Ho'oponopono masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Overall energy for Leo people for this week. Let's see what we have. Ten of profile. Love and blessings fill your life. Okay, there's going to be a lot of love and blessings in your life in this particular week. So make good use of this week. Keep your heart open and flexible to the idea of connecting or reconnecting with people, right? Especially those whom you love or who loves you. Maybe family or people who are like family to you. Harmonious relationship with family members and happily ever after. For some of you, you might end up having a person in your life with whom you can see a happily after kind of a deal with, or your connection with your spouse is going to be really very beautiful and meaningful in this week. Oh, this is good. You are showing me something really good this week, Leo. I'm happy. Let's see the per day messages for you guys, Leo, for this week. 11th, we have the 5 of Ariel. You need not go through your current challenges alone. You might be struggling with a lot of things going on at once in your life, and lots of challenges and obstacles are happening again and again and again. So you don't have to go through these kind of challenges alone. You can ask for help from helpful people around you. Okay, or you can meditate and ask your own universe, or you can ask the existence to send you help. Help is nearby only, or you have to ask for it with all of your heart and soul. Negative thoughts create self-fulfilling prophecies, which means that if you're going to continuously feed your negative thoughts and negative energies, you might create your own reality that's not actually a reality. It's just your illusion that your mind has created because of the negative thoughts that you're feeding continuously, right? Okay, 11. 12th, we have the 10 of Gabriel. Ask your angels for helpful people to lighten your load. Maybe ask real people to help you to lighten your load, because you might be working too many hours, or you might be working on too many projects at the same time. Asking for help is not a bad thing, Leo. A lot of people think that asking for help is a sign of weakness. It's actually a sign of strength and courage. So please don't refrain from asking for help when you're struggling, okay? No matter which area of your life you're struggling in. Trying too hard to please others. If you are into people pleasing, or I don't think so, you are people pleasers, but if by any chance you are right now struggling with this energy of people pleasing or trying to be good and nice to everyone, then don't do that stupidity. Just be yourself. Whosoever is going to like you the way you are, they are your real person, they are your real energy, real friend, right? Everything else, everyone else, they are just faking it. 13th, we have the 2 of Ariel. It's important to have balance. It's important to find balance in your life. Okay, there might be a lot of things going on. You guys are hustling too much, you guys are working too much, but finding balance in your life is very important these days. Working multiple jobs or projects at once, you might be doing so many things at the same time, or your mind is continuously stressed out because of you want to do so many things at the same time. It's not even funny. You guys have to make your work fun, and you guys have to prioritize what should you do and what you should not do, right? Having a proper list and understanding of what you should be doing and what you should not be doing, so that you're not going to be confused as hell. And you guys have to figure out ways to make your work fun. Okay, 14th, we have 2 of Raphael. Two hearts dedicated to creating something wonderful. You guys are going to connect with somebody that is going to be on same level of insanity. That is, I'm sorry, it's like creativity, not insanity, maybe insanity. So you guys are going to connect with somebody with whom you're going to feel a lot of love, lot of energy, beautiful energy of peace and happiness. Don't give up on those you love. If you love someone, like especially your friends and family, don't give up on those people. And if you have somebody by your side who loves you, who wants to be with you, don't give up on them also, right? But there are really beautiful kind of energies around you that can help you feel at peace and feel like, okay, you have some energy, some helpful and beautiful energies around you. Okay. 15th, we have the page of Gabriel. Follow your passion, follow your heart, follow your passion. Whatever is supposed to happen is going to happen in this world, okay? But follow your passion and your heart. You are ready for any challenge. You are ready now to take any kind of challenge in your life, Leo. So go for it. Opportunities for excitement and adventure. It might be literal adventure that you guys will be going on, or you guys are going to get some kind of beautiful opportunities for adventure and excitement. 16th of May, we have the Nine of Ariel. Your dreams are fulfilled. Some kind of wish is going to come true. Some kind of dream is going to be fulfilled. Hard work leads to great success. If you're hustling so hard, if you're working too hard, you are going to get some kind of great success in the coming future. So do not give up. Just keep going. Your hard work is going to be rewarded very, very soon. A love for the beautiful things in your life. Your love is going to be enhanced regarding beautiful things in your life, or collecting beautiful things, or making your home really beautiful, okay, environment really beautiful. Awesome. 17th, we have the Seven of Michael. There is a better course of action available to you now. Don't be in this stubborn energy that everything should be like my way or the highway kind of a deal. There is a better course of action available to you on a particular path, on a particular situation, in a particular situation. So be flexible and open minded to uh, allow that kind of action, course of action also to be available to you. Working alone may not be a best answer, so connect with somebody who can help you to enhance your work energies, or help you to unburden your load a little bit. Review all the details before signing any kind of contracts or documentations. Just review all the details, all the terms and conditions and everything before you guys are going to make any kind of, you know, partnership contract or something like that. Document related things should be cleared properly this day, handled properly this day. Let's see the final message for you guys for this day, for this week, as guidance. So we have the Four of Ariel. When you give, you also receive. When you give it with a with a heart full of gratitude, you also receive with a heart full of gratitude. Giving and receiving should be a energy based on gratitude kind of energy exchange. Okay, being resistant to change, you might be continuously resisting some kind of changes in your life, and that is how you are stopping your own growth and expansion from happening. So you don't have to be resistant to change. You have to continuously remind yourself that change is the only constant in life. Everything changes, everything and everyone. Extremes in how you save or spend money, you guys have to figure out a middle ground where either you are saving too much, or you're becoming too much of a spendthrift kind of a person. So try to find a middle ground where you are not doing either of them. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.